to the Mix Lovelies and friends, and on the mix we have no other than Lady V. And Lady V is talking about her piece. She said that in this season, she's not allowing anyone to take her piece. She's also explaining that to get access to her, the person she watches to see how the particular person operates. Basically, if they are disrespectful to certain people or they are disrespectful in a way overall, then she knows that they are capable of being disrespectful to anyone. She's saying if a person is disrespectful to your mothers and your fathers, then basically they can be disrespectful to anyone as well. And she's saying that in this season, she's just not allowing anyone to take her peace. She's not allowing anything to bother or trouble her spirit. So she is looking for, positivity and the positivity in people instead of, surrounding herself with negativity, because that's not going to happen in her surroundings, she said. So you guys go ahead and watch what Lady V has to say. And remember to like, share to the channel. And as always, lovely, have yourselves a beautiful one.
Or be exposed to is gonna have to go. Hey honey, I don't want nobody to take my peace of mind. Yeah. So honestly, this season that I'm in, if you are a negative person, I do not want to be around you. If you love to gossip, it's always something with somebody, you always have the scoop, you always have something to share and tell, pass me, miss me with it. Miss me with the information, miss me with the news. Hey, down the node, I would rather not be a part of that. If when you speak to me, we can talk about just women's health, some dream, some goal, some aspiration, some accomplishment, whether it is us, our children, something. I can't really entertain the negativity this year. And another thing, anybody that thinks I need them, but they don't need me, oh boy, you're in for a treat this year. Oh boy, you're in for a treat this year. You don't call me, I don't call you. You don't message me, I don't message you. Hello? Me nah send on 3, 4, 5 phone call in your phone and one no come from you. I'm not desperate for friendship. Yeah. Me nah send 6 texts and you no send none. I'm not desperate for family. Yeah. I can do bad by myself. I'm not afraid of my own company. I'm not afraid of spending time with myself, but I'm afraid of wasting time with the wrong people. I am afraid of spending time and wasting time with the wrong people. I don't want no negativity around me this year. I don't want anyone that is not going anywhere attached to me this year. If you know you're a negative, low-flying energy person, just avoid me. If you know, say the only thing you can bring is gossip, please avoid me. Avoid me, avoid me. I don't need nobody that will come tell me what the next person did say about me for upset my spirit. Excuse me, sometimes you're having a perfectly good day until when Donette call. Oh, Auntie so-and-so said this about you, this and that about you. I don't care who say what. I don't want to hear, hey Tenise, how you doing, darling? I don't want to hear who said anything about me. I'm important. So people gonna have to talk about me. What you expect? So why are you reporting that? So I'm saying this year, I can't have a friend or a family member closely aligned to me that comes with all this toxic energy. I cannot do it, and I will not do it. I'm not gonna have a man that abuse me around me. I'm not gonna have someone that always speaking down to me around me. Nobody that speaks down to people cannot be around me. If I watch you disrespect your mother and father, I know you're capable of disrespecting anyone. So I will stay away from you. Yeah. I'll watch how you deal with your husband or how you deal with your wife to know if you should get any access. Not sure, Denise. I could check, but not sure. Yeah? Yeah. And it's not just social media, no. It's your family. They might behave some sideways. And same thing. Same thing. But let us say this. We're not going to have no negative energy around us this year. We're going to put down everything and everyone that is negative. Anybody will each time them come around you, them is a taker. We not deal with you this year. Any friend what we have, we all them want to do a take. Got to go. You don't need no friends, no family that you always have to be pouring into. Because when you pour into people, you come up empty at some point, So who pours into you at that point? When you keep on pouring into people and you come up empty, who pours into you at that stage, at that juncture? Who pours back into you? Now there's a saying that birds of a feather flocks together, right? Birds of a feather flock together. If you are not of a certain character, how do you find commonality with persons of said character? Let's just say Denise is a loud, rowdy, boisterous type of girl. If I am not like that, where is the commonality between Denise and Valine? Why, Denise and I are besties. And everywhere you see Denise, you see Valine. We hang out, we party, we live up the good. No, Mac Parker. I don't think so. Birds of a feather flock together. Let's just say Mac is a man that loves the strip club and loves the wild out and this and that and swinging life and how Mac and I gonna be this tight bunga pal? Something wrong. Something is very wrong. Very wrong. So it says a lot. By your company you shall be known. By your very associates, by your very acquaintances, it will tell something about you. If you have to say your friend is always right, is not your friend. If my friends agree with everything I say, I know they're not my friends, because real friends disagree with you from time to time. Real friends are not afraid to check you. Denise is somebody that I know quite some time. And if I were to see Denise doing something that I feel like, what the hell? I'm calling Denise on her phone and I'm going to say, you need to come see mom. And when she come, I'm going to sit her down. I'm going to say, no, honey, sister, you're doing it wrong. Baby girl, that's not the way. But when you can see Denise doing it and you cheer, you're telling Denise it's okay to go and destroy your life. It's okay to go and make a damn fool out of yourself. And then I'm Denise's friend. Oh no, baby. True friends don't watch your friend drink and drive. Come on. Good friends don't watch their other friends drink and drive drunk. I said what I said. You don't always have to say yes or support a person's position if you know in your bosom the person is wrong. It is high time we get to the stage where we look people in the eye and we say, on this matter you are wrong. You don't have to come and call people out of their names. You don't need to come out and call people all kind of description. I see people who we on media, everybody have a name. I don't call people out their names. I don't practice that. If I'm talking to you, I tend to call you by your name. If it's a direct address for you, if I'm addressing you, I'm going to call you by your name. Because you know what? I start from a place of 100% respect. So when I start respecting you less, it's based on what you show me. It's based on what you show me. So there's no calling out no name. I can correct you in a manner. It's done from a place of love. So you won't have to, so you won't have to take it the hard way. Because good correction comes from a place of love, not from a place of bashing, name calling, tear down, pop way. Hi, Rebecca. This year, I'm surrounding myself with the going places people. I don't want any selfish persons around me. I don't want nobody around me that don't know God. I don't want nobody around me that don't know humility. I don't want anyone around me that lacks humility. Listen, we have to be humble. Humble. We have to be grateful. I don't want nobody around me with no gratitude. Gratitude is a must. Hey, Lita. Gratitude is a must. Yeah? Some of we now have no gratitude. I don't want nobody around me that don't have respect for themselves and other people. People have dignity. And we have to give them that. So I'm going to watch how you treat X to know how you will treat me. I'm going to listen how you talk about Y to know how you will talk about me. Yeah. And if I hear you lie to or on another person, I know you're capable of lying to and on me. So I distance myself. This year, I will be in a very small circle. My circle is going to be so small that it will be squeezing me at times. And within that circle, there is going to be a corner. You hear me, guys? Within that very tiny circle, there's going to be a corner. Because it's not who is in your circle, but who is in your corner. A lot of us have big circle. We have everybody in there. When the chips are down, you can't even find people for pray for you. Come on, people, talk to me. Donnet, you still here, Doc? Sometime when you're weary, sometime when you're worn, sometime when you're burned, you can't even find a good prayer warrior for pray for you. This year, I don't want nobody around me that corrupt my spirit. I don't want nobody around me that bring people business come tell me. I don't want no two-faced people that talk to me. People who I know say, tell me straight up, you don't like that individual, but yet me see I show them public love. Me no want talk to no. Please, I don't see me phone. No dial me number. I don't want nobody where I tell me say I can't stand her, but me see I tell her say you love her. I don't want nobody where say you ain't look good, but me see they like the picture. This year, me no want no hypocrite round me, near me, side of me, connected to me, associated, affiliated to me. And I don't need people this year around me. But when I have this drink here, and I want to get up to use the bathroom, I have to carry my drink in the bathroom. I don't want you around me. Hey, Sharon. I don't want when I have to go to the bathroom, I have to take my drinks and clutch it under my arm. Because I can't leave my drinks in your presence. I don't know what you're capable of. I don't know if I can trust you. Because you don't show me some behavior already. So you cannot be trusted. Nope. A lot of people out here are user. Check when they call your phone. A lot of people out in these streets are user. They only call you when they need something from you. Some of them people are only when they need something from you, your phone ring. You so know them. Well, can I tell you? I will have people name get retagged in my phone. Names did in there now. Like you did name Bev in there. Now you name user. Like you did name Sandra in there. Now you go to